video I'm going to try, and hopefully I can do a smoky eye look and everything else. So I'm going to be using the Profusion Starlet palette. This is a 35 shade palette. This has neutrals, sweet berries, and all of that, and also has pressed glitter. But I won't be doing glitter. I'm not. I'm in the mood today. So yeah. So if you've been here before, welcome. Welcome back. If you haven't been here before, my name is Alex. I'm a cruelty-free NE who loves to play with makeup. So feel free to stay and see if I can do this. You know, fall is coming, and I thought, you know what, let's do a thing of smoky eyes and just work with darker colors. So I am doing a pan thing where you try to use up the products and everything else, and I am trying to use up my Milani eyeshadow primer. This is actually one of my favorite eyeshadow primers from the drugstore. Like, I'll buy this. I will repurchase this because I need a mix of drugstore. I need a mix of everything, okay? I need a mix of high-end and indie and drugstore. I need a mix because, yeah. I thought I would show you what I have on my eyebrows and everything else because I just want to do it because I am trying out a new product and I'm very excited. I'm using the WetnWild dark brown with the ultimate eye thing. I really love this stuff. Already hit pan on one of the shades. Hopefully I can use the darker shade. But also, I'm very excited to try this product out. It's the Brow Free Brow Style Matte Wax from Anastasia there. Because I did get this for free for review purposes, and this is my first time trying it out. And I'm going to tell you one thing. I really do like it. I mean, it doesn't make my brows stiff or anything like that. That's I do like. Even though my eyebrows have both sides are totally different, but you know what? We're supposed to be sisters, not twins, and that's what I have to keep reminding myself. But I really do like this stuff, and you need only a tiny bit. I mean, a tiny bit, and it's like, yes, I definitely will repurchase this, whenever I can. Yeah. So we're going to use this. Profusion is actually one of my favorite brands of all time. Like, I'll say that to possibly with every brand. But I really like their eyeshadows. If you haven't tried Profusion, you need to try it. I've been using Profusion for about 2 years now, and I still love it. I have almost all of their 10 eyeshadow palettes. They got some new ones. They got a new eyeshadow palette. Like, they got new stuff, which I'm excited about. So since I let that dry, just I kind of let this dry. I'm going to use this kind of brush. So on here, every palette's kind of different. On the smaller palettes, they do have the names on it, but with the bigger palettes, they do have the names at the back. So for this, I'm trying to go with mauves here. So hopefully. So I am actually going to use this shade and palette right here. So I haven't used all of these shadows, so we get to use them. Like, I'm really excited. So hopefully I can do this. So I do have hooded eyes, so I kind of just go with what my eye shape is. And just hopefully I can smoke this out, because I am using the black. I don't know if I'm in or not, but it's rare that I do. But So you actually want to keep this blended and everything, so we're just gonna go for it. Use the clean brush. One of my cats are sneezing. They have a sneezing fit, so. I want to soften this up. So this is a transition shade. And I have to put you a little closer. A little closer, a little closer. See what I should say. So, that easy go it blends out. Like, it's so effortless. And I am going back to it just to keep it. You always want to keep it blended. I don't know where I have this kind of. So hopefully I can get it. I am going to blend that out just a tiny bit. I am going to use more of a fluffy brush. And I'm going to use this shade right here. It's Liquids. This shade right here. Like I said, these are very beautiful palettes. I really do enjoy them. So hopefully I can go. So I have my natural light just like in them. So. Okay. Then I'm actually going with the dark light. This is going to be I don't know this one. This is a very neutral palette, which I do like. So, for more of a blend, I'm going to use this shade right here and this shade right here. Hopefully I can see it. It's upward. This shade is upward right here. Now I want the sun out. So funny how this. The sun. So that's why the lights are changing a little bit. It's because of the sun. So. And that's not how much, but if there's a little bit of kickback, but as much as fallout, it's very minimal. Anyway. Okay, this shade right here is called Honey Baby. And it actually it does a good job of this. I am bringing it up a little bit. I do want this shade to poke up a little bit. Like, I'm actually going to use this shade at the bottom, and this one's called Auburn, right here. Like I said, I'm going gradually a little bit darker as I go, and hopefully I can do this right. And hopefully I don't mess up the eyeshadow look. So I'm gonna go auburn, just to make this more of a reddish color. Anything else? So. Like. I am going to gradually put it over here to soften this up. Okay. And we're definitely we'll be using the black we have in here. Where this is called Witchy. I'm thinking it's called Witchy. Yep, this shade is called Witchy. See, these glitters are so pretty. I just don't. So we're gonna hopefully you can make this up a little bit. Now as always the black shades that always have a lot of fallout, so they are going. I'm just using this brush just to add one, and then just sprinkling that out. And I am going to use a different brush. Now, I love these brushes right here, like that. So it's easy to. Gradually. This is like a nice, I'm not gonna say everyday one, I think this is more like it. More like that. I'm actually gonna use glitter glue. So I really don't want to use I don't really want to use a white base really, because I just don't want to. I really need to get some eyeshadow, different eyeshadow bases that really is not white. I don't think I'll have to use, like, not wrong with using it, just the one I've used is really like too creamy. It does not really. Oh, get down, for you'll break my palette cap. Find one step. Come on. I am going to gradually go lighter to the top. So, okay, we got a lot of shimmers. And the shade I'm actually going to use is right here. This right here is the third one's called Serenity. You can see, these glitters are so pretty. They really are. I think I highly recommend them. Serenity. So use this and so that is gold, like a really rose gold, really light rose gold. Like this. And then I'm just gonna let it fade. Like I said. Okay. And then we're going to use Now I wish this had more pink, but we are using pink. And a little bit of purple. So we are going to use Ooh La La right here. This is Ooh La La. Ooh La La. Ooh La La. Oh no, I'm saying Ooh La La. I'm so weird, I can't help it. Nice one. Really has some weird texture. I find that weird. It's not on show these. Okay. Apparently really. Now this shade is really pretty if you put it on top of an eyeshadow. That's what I think this shade is for. So, I don't know. It's kind of weird. But it's easy to pack on. I don't know if you can, now you can notice it. Now we're going to use this shade. It's called Truffle. This shade named Truffle right here. So I got to be pretty. This one will be pretty. Okay. This will help it to blend up a little bit. It's a nice brown shade. I actually like this shade. I wish they didn't have I wish this one wasn't a shimmer. Everything up and give you the finished look. So I'll be right back. Hopefully. Okay guys, this is the finished look. How do you guys like it? Like, did I do a good job? I think I did. Even though some of it didn't match. Right? But it's okay. Because like I really do like it. Like, it's like one of my favorite looks that I ever did for this fall. And everything. So yeah. So guys, this is it. I hope you do like the video. If you do, hit the like button. If you haven't already, want to be part of the Makeup Bag family. We are a drama-free zone and a judgment-free zone where we don't judge, we don't cause drama, we just like to play with makeup and just have fun. And of course, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any new videos I upload. So guys, I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at, and I love you, and God bless. Bye!